Do you feel like you are missing something when you look at your home furniture and home decor items? Probably there are some wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you never knew you needed but are missing from your home decor elements. In this video, we have gathered you several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use to revamp your living spaces. Some of them could be made as mini woodworking projects while others are large projects. Revamping your living spaces is more than just a trend, it's a necessity for creating a harmonious and functional environment. Our homes are reflections of our personalities, lifestyles, and values. Over time, however, they can become stale or misaligned with our current needs. Whether you're moving into a new home, experiencing a life change, or simply feeling the weight of your surroundings, refreshing your living spaces can have profound effects on your well-being and productivity. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas to revamp your living space. And wooden decorative pieces you never knew you needed. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Our surroundings have a significant impact on our mental health. Cluttered and outdated spaces can lead to feelings of anxiety and stress. A well-organized and aesthetically pleasing environment, on the other hand, can uplift our spirits and promote a sense of calm. By revamping your home, you can create a sanctuary that fosters relaxation and mental clarity. A fresh living space can stimulate creativity. Artists, writers, and creators often find inspiration in their surroundings. By changing colors, rearranging furniture, or adding new decor, you can spark new ideas and ignite your imagination. A vibrant environment encourages you to think outside the box and embrace innovation. There are several wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas you can use to give your home a new look. If you work from home or engage in activities that require concentration, the state of your living space can greatly affect your productivity. A clutter-free, organized area helps minimize distractions and allows you to focus on tasks at hand. Revamping your workspace or study area can lead to improved efficiency and better results. The physical environment plays a crucial role in our overall health. Poorly designed spaces can lead to physical discomfort or health issues, such as back pain from inadequate furniture or respiratory problems from poor air quality. By updating your living spaces, you can enhance comfort and promote well-being, such as by investing in ergonomic furniture or improving air circulation. Your living space is often a gathering place for friends and family. A well-designed home encourages social interaction and connection. By revamping areas like the living room or dining space, you create an inviting atmosphere that promotes togetherness. Comfortable seating, open layouts, and communal areas can enhance the quality of social interactions. As individuals grow and change, so too should their living spaces. Your home should reflect who you are at any given moment. Revamping allows you to incorporate new interests, values, or experiences into your environment. This personal expression not only enhances your living experience but also communicates your identity to others. Revamping your living spaces with wood furniture can bring warmth, character, and a timeless aesthetic to your home. Invest in a standout piece, such as a beautifully crafted dining table or a unique coffee table, to serve as a focal point in the room. Look for multipurpose furniture pieces. These types of furniture can serve more than one function, such as storage ottomans or coffee tables with built-in shelves. They serve to maximize space and utility. Combine different styles of wood furniture such as rustic, modern, or mid-century to create an eclectic look. This adds visual interest and showcases your personality. Pair wood furniture with metal or fabric elements to create contrast. For example, a wooden dining table can be complemented with metal chairs or upholstered seating. Embrace the natural grain and color of wood by selecting pieces with minimal finishes. This enhances the organic feel and brings a touch of nature indoors. Consider painting wooden pieces in bold colors to make a statement or to match your existing decor. This can breathe new life into older furniture. Use furniture that fits the scale of your space. Compact wooden furniture can help make a small room feel more open while still providing essential functionality. Use wooden furniture to define different areas within an open concept space. For instance, a wooden bookshelf can create a visual boundary between a living area and a workspace. Pair wooden furniture with soft textiles like cushions, throws, and rugs. This creates a cozy atmosphere and balances the hardness of wood with softer elements. Use wooden furniture as a base for decorative items. Add books, plants, and artwork to create a personalized space that feels inviting. Opt for sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood furniture. This not only reduces your environmental impact but also adds a unique story to your home. Quality wood furniture is durable and can stand the test of time, making it a wise investment for long-term use. Choose wood furniture that aligns with your overall design theme, whether it's rustic, contemporary, or traditional. This helps create a cohesive look throughout your living spaces. Use wood furniture to establish a color palette for the room. Warm woods can complement earthy tones, while lighter woods can brighten up a space. Keep your wood furniture looking its best by regularly cleaning and conditioning it. This helps maintain its appearance and longevity, ensuring your investment pays off. In conclusion, incorporating wood furniture into your living spaces is a fantastic way to revamp your home. With its versatility, natural beauty, and timeless appeal, wood can enhance the aesthetic and functionality of any room. By choosing the right pieces, mixing styles, and accessorizing thoughtfully, you can create a warm and inviting environment that reflects your personal style. Whether through subtle updates or bold statements, wood furniture can transform your living space into a sanctuary of comfort and creativity. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas to revamp your living space. And wooden decorative pieces you never knew you needed. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.